Hey everyone, welcome to the PassFab channel. If you can't unlock your iPhone because you've forgotten your Apple ID password, are stuck on the activation lock screen, or need to reset your device but can't remember your credentials, it can be incredibly frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 reliable methods to regain access to your iPhone when you've forgotten your Apple ID password. The first method is resetting your Apple ID password through Apple's official recovery page at iforgot.apple.com. This site is specifically designed for users who forgot their password or had their account locked for security reasons. Enter your Apple ID email address and tap Continue. You'll then be asked to verify your identity by entering the phone number linked to your Apple account. Apple will send a verification code through text message or a notification to your trusted devices, which will allow you to create a new password and regain access to your account. The second method is resetting your password using another Apple device that is already signed in with the same Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, go to Sign In and Security, and select Change Password. A verification code will be sent to your trusted Apple device, and after entering it, you'll be able to create a new password immediately. Once your password has been updated, return to your locked iPhone and sign in using the new credentials. The third method is using PassFab iPhone Unlock. This professional tool can remove the iCloud activation lock even if you no longer remember your Apple ID or password. First, download and install the software on your computer using the link in the video description. Open the program, connect your locked iPhone using a USB cable, and select the option to remove iCloud activation lock. Click Start, and the software will provide step-by-step instructions to place your device into DFU mode. For most modern iPhone models, this involves a specific sequence of pressing the volume and side buttons until the screen turns black. The process will begin automatically and usually takes around 8 minutes. When the process is completed, your iPhone will reboot with the lock fully removed, allowing you to set it up as a brand new device and sign in with a new Apple ID. And that's it. Your iPhone is now ready to use again. If this guide helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.